Oh,
Yeah,
can you
okay,
show me?
okay.
Can you show me your hand?
Okay.
Like me? Can you show me
My
your
hand?
hand? Oh, it's
Yeah,
for
my
you.
hand.
It's ring. It's for you.
I no, mate. No, I haven't. This ring.
I will give you this one.
Yeah, thank
Will you?
you.
Will you? Will you marry me?
You have me?
Yeah, it's for you. It's a good one. You can see.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm really. I'm serious. I like you.
When you come over China, look me.
Yeah, if you want, then I will visit China. I will meet with you.
Yeah, maybe. When you come over China, look me.
Where are you? I can't see you.
Just a little way. Yeah, I think this learn language is very important.
You are my
So
dream girl.
you also can drink
Dream girl. Dream.
drink
Yeah, dream.
dream. What mean?
What is your dream? What do you want to be in future?
Oh, my dream. My dream is marry me. Marry with you.
I said, you are my dream girl. You, my dream girl. Do you understand me?
Yeah, I know.
So, do you like me?
Your dream is your dream? Marry me?
Yeah, I want.
Just kidding.
Do you want?
Kidding.
Do you like me?
Yeah, sure. You can.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Straight.
This is
it
a
true?
coal.
Yeah.
我也还没结婚，那你跟我结婚吧。
Oh, where are you going? Is it a park?
How to say this? I don't understand.
It's look like park. Is it a park?
Park? No. Oh, yeah. I don't know how to say this.
Oh, okay. It's looks so beautiful. So beautiful scenery. Yeah.
Yeah, today is very sunny. So many people outside.
Oh, I didn't see before like that. It's so beautiful. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Yeah, beautiful girl.
Yeah. Like you.
Yeah. Like he? Like she?
Like you. Yeah, like you.
You like you? You like me?
Yeah, I like you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
So, are you going to your home?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go
Okay.
home.
And how far your home?
There
How
are
far?
so many. Only have 5 minutes.
Okay, then I will wait for 5 minutes, and I want to see the all of the view, your country. So beautiful.
My country. This is a very small city.
Okay.
Very beautiful.
Just show
我
me.
坐着等你结婚，你要
Just
嫁
back
给
your
他。
camera. I want to see you.
You want to see me?
Yeah,
Why?
because
I
you
think
are
this
so
is
beautiful.
beautiful.
You are so beautiful than the scenery.
You look, this is a car. Beautiful car and beautiful flowers. You don't like?
You look so beautiful. You look more beautiful. Uh, this kind of flowers
Are
or
you
this
really?
cow, you look more beautiful.
No.
Yeah, I think so.
I see beautiful flowers.
Yeah, beautiful flowers, but you are more beautiful from the flowers.
I think this flower is very beautiful.
What is that?
Very beautiful. These flowers. These flowers beautiful.
Yeah, so beautiful. Do you know what is the name
Yeah,
of
I
these
really like
flowers?
this. I don't know.
Okay.
Are you like playing basketball?
Oh, yeah, I like, but I like play football. Do you know football or soccer?
What? Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I love
Yeah,
play
yeah, yeah.
football.
Yeah.
It's my favorite sport.
Yeah. I think many foreigner people like football playing.
Yeah, maybe.
But
You
our
know, in
China many. Eh,
so tell me, what is your favorite sport? Do you like play basketball?
yeah, I like. I very like.
And what is your favorite sport? Is it your favorite sport?
Uh, Basketball.
Yeah, basketball. Is it your
I
favorite
really
sport?
like basketball. Favorite.
Yeah. Okay.
就想你回家给他。
And what's your favorite
Oh my
color?
god. Black.
Black. Okay. Me too. I like black and white.
Black and white.
Oh, me too.
Yeah. Me too. Black and white. Yeah.
So we are same. Right?
You look my horse black.
Yeah, it's black.
Yeah. I think black is beautiful.
Yeah, black.
I don't know how to say this. Yeah.
Is it a big street?
What?
Is it a very big street? I mean road? Or it's a small road?
Small road.
Small road, okay.
This is small. Why?
Do you have any friend who can speak English like you?
No.
Oh,
Ah?
that's cool that you can speak English.
But my English is not good.
Yeah, your English is good, but if you practice regularly, you need to practice more. And if you practice regularly, then you can improve your English very quickly, because your English pretty good, and no one can speak English.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have lots of friends, right? But they can't speak English like you, right?
Yeah.
So you have to practice more, and if you practice more, then
But
you
I
can
want
speak English
to improve
fluently,
my-
like native speaker.
Yeah. Big Y. Big Y. Eh?
Oh, Okay.
This is right.
Yeah, I can see.
This is flowers. I like these flowers.
Okay.
I very like these flowers.
Oh, there are so many flowers over there.
Yeah.
I know
So
you
many,
like this kind of flowers, but you don't know what is the name.
Yeah, and this how to say this color?
It's a yellow color.
Yellow?
Yellow, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. I also like this.
Oh, it's not flower. Is it flower?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
This why?
Oh, okay, it's flower. Okay, maybe. I'm not sure.
No.
So now, are you very close to your home? Now, are you very close to your home? Are you close in your home?
Yeah.
Okay.
我坐着等你结婚，你却在和他看婚事。
And
没有没有，
there
我是
are
跟
so
他
many
开玩笑的。
trees.
Yeah.
On the street.
Street. What is a street?
Street means road. You are walking on the road, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, you
I
are
don't
walking.
understand.
You are walking on the street.
Ah. Yeah.
Or is it pavement?
Working. No, so near. Needn't.
Okay.
This flower?
Oh, I know. It's marigold.
Yeah.
It's called marigold.
Beautiful.
You know? It's called marigold in English.
Yeah.
And what do you call in your country? What is the Chinese name of these flowers? This kind of flowers.
花
Hua?
花
Wow.
花
Okay, got it. But
I
in
teach you-
English, it's
I
called
teach you
marigold
sunflower.
flower. Okay. That's a good idea.
Sunflower.
Okay. Oh, you are just walking.
Oh my god, very nice.
Are you tired?
No,
No.
I'm not tired. Beautiful stuff. My turn. I'm gonna.
It's very small road.
I'm
Like
gonna take my hair.
Yeah. You can sing
This
song.
is it's more. I'm gonna take my turn. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I know. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. You know?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. You sung.